Morning students, welcome to Rishikul online classes. Today we will learn the story of a giant and Annalisa. There was a giant in a village in the mountain peak in the Andes range. He wanted to be friendly with the people living in the village, but all the people in the village were quite scared of him. As he entered the village, they all start running. Every Sunday, he dressed up in a very beautiful manner and come to the village. But all the people, they started running here and there. And Lisa, the poor girl, small girl, also started running and fell into the ravine. He said nothing and went back to the mountain, but his voice was too loud that nobody is able to understand. The merchant, Wolf, he was very greedy. He knew that no one is understanding what the giant is saying, so he takes advantage of it. He tell everybody in the village that the giant is very cruel. He wanted sheep, hen, and lot of grains and many things, vegetables, fruits from the villagers. Otherwise, he started killing all the people in the village. All the people, they were very scared and they give all the things to the villager, to the village merchant Wolf. But the poor girl told his grandfather that the merchant is telling lie. All the villagers, they just follow the merchant Wolf and caught him red-handed, that he is taking away all the things from the villagers and selling them in the market and getting money. So now all the people are very friendly with the giant. Giant comes in the village and give gifts to the children in the village. All the children are very happy. They started playing with the giant and giant is very happy with them. In this way all they become friends. So always